Can start from this room here.
What about here?
Yeah. Let's start from here.
Okay, now be the same wall with this?
Yes. Now POP. Now the parlor area with this.
Okay, yeah, now
Living room.
the sitting room, abi?
Yes.
Okay, mostly from that side, pick on to this side.
Sitting room.
So, Oga, this particular design, when you do so, now you choose and now Oga choose them for you.
Now Oga choose them. We get many designs for hand. If anybody contact us for a service or POP, we normally send them the design we get so that they can choose inside. So that now wetin we do with this Oga we get here with that. We send out design and he pick this particular design.
Okay.
Yes.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, viewers of Edo Talk Show all over the world. Me when they talk to you, my name is John Osas. We dey one location for Lagos State. We come monitor the work when one of our viewers give our brother. We'll ask our brother his name, the work when he dey into, and the particular work when we come monitor for this side. So Oga, make you tell our viewers your name.
My name na Balogun Oluwarotimi Dada.
Okay. Yeah. Balogun Oluwarotimi Dada. Yeah. So Oga, which work you dey into?
I dey into interior decoration, POP, wall screeding, painting, TV console, POP. Then they use different things. They do console, which is TV console. Now I mean, and they use POP. Then they use HDF. Some people they use 3D wallpaper, and which I dey into with that.
Okay. So Oga, this place over there, so what to come monitor here?
I can't do POP and screening and painting, but na POP we first do now. So after this festivity period, we will start the wall screening and painting.
Okay. So Oga, this particular person will give you this work, you know him before?
I don't know him before. I know him. I got to know him from this platform.
Okay.
Yes.
So what you go help us tell him?
I go like say my appreciation to the platform and to the viewers at home. Thank you very much for the love and support. Thank you for the everything, and I'd like to thank this platform as well. The brain behind this, I hope it will increase more and more.
Okay. So our viewers all over the world, we join our brother say thank you. So Oga, you say now POP that you can't do for here.
Yes.
So if you take us on this work,
of course.
Our viewers here. Of course. Where was starting from?
Can start from this room here.
What about here?
Yeah. Let's start from here.
Okay. Now be the same wall with this?
Yes. Now POP. Now the parlor area with this.
Okay. Yeah. Now
living room.
The sitting room, abi?
Yes.
Okay. Mostly from that side, pick on to this side.
Sitting room.
So Oga, this particular design when you do so, now you choose and now Oga choose them for you.
Now Oga choose them. We get many designs for hand. If anybody contact us for a service or POP, we normally send them the design we get so that they can choose inside. So that now wetin we do with you, Oga we get here with that. We send out design and he pick this particular design.
Okay.
Yes.
So where will be this one?
The kitchen area with this. This is, you can see they tile all the walls.
Here and the kitchen area.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, then we'll check again, Oga.
You go and check the store. This is the store here.
Okay.
And the store with this. And the living room bedroom with this. This is visitor's toilet.
Okay. Here now visitor toilet and with this place.
Yes.
Okay. Then we'll check again.
You can check here. This is the Oga room.
Okay. Okay.
And the bedroom is
Okay. Where will this place, Oga?
and the Oga room with this.
Okay. So Oga say we see this kind design for here.
Yes.
My brother say now the same one dey the sitting room, like this one.
Yeah, Oga want simple and mature design. That's why he agreed on us doing this for him.
Okay.
Yes.
So now God say make una choose
This
this
one.
particular one. Okay. So other places they won't check.
Other place the second room we did because this particular apartment are 2 bedroom flats.
2 bedroom.
Yeah.
Okay. So now the other one now be this. So now the same pattern and the same design. Now I see there.
Yes.
Okay. Alright, this one we did round down. So what it be?
This one are cornice, then they call am
Corniche.
cornice.
Okay. Which work they do?
Cornice dey for na to beautify the POP.
Okay.
Yes, na to beautify dey for.
Okay.
See the line very sharp and neat. We always render a neat job. Neat job with
So other place there? Okay. This one and the bedroom for this particular room. Okay. So Oga, this work when you do for here, so we get the belief say dey solid. Say not be the work when we say within a space of a year, e don fall.
Haba na plaster Paris plaster na im we use for here and Paris plaster everybody knows is the best plaster. This
Okay.
can stay as long as the house is standing.
Okay. So with full chest guarantee.
Yeah, full guarantee.
Okay. So Oga, make you come this side, make our viewers dey see your face.
Okay.
We don see the work when you do for here. You say na very beautiful and simple design.
Yeah.
If our viewer get this kind of work and this 2 bedroom flat, abi?
Yes, yes.
And if they get this kind 2 bedroom flat or 3 bedroom, and they say make you come help them do this kind of work,
Yeah.
you fit tell them how much it cost, make them know how much they want budget.
This particular apartment, we because of the price is hike, the inflation stuff, this one cost 800,000, 810 thereabouts.
Okay.
Yes,
800,000.
yes.
Okay. So if our viewer come decide to tell you, say, okay, oh, one of my brother they sell this POP material, they will provide all the material for you, make you do the work. Now how much it will cost?
We dey charge for only workmanship for POP. We fit charge am like we dey charge like 4,000, 4,500.
Okay, for workmanship.
Yes.
4,000, 4,500 for everything.
For the per square meter, that's per square meter of the square meter that's in the like this particular apartment. We have 65, 70 square meter in this apartment.
Okay,
Yes.
okay.
Altogether, it's around 80 square meter.
80 square meter under this apartment, so.
Yes.
Okay. So if our viewer need you, may you come work for them for other parts of the country, especially the western region.
Yeah.
If you go there, go work.
Abba, I get one of the viewers from here don contact me where I dey work for Ekiti. I dey go Ekiti, dey go Abeokuta, Ondo, anywhere wey dey need my service na I dey go.
Okay. So if our viewer want reach you, okay, give us your number when they will reach you.
Yes, of course. My number, I get 2 number. One na Glo, one na MTN. The Glo one na 08073903336.
Okay.
Yeah. And the MTN one na 08166082724.
Okay.
Yes.
So our viewers all over the world, we thank you for the time until they watch our video and the motivation where they give us. We say thank you all and God bless you.